Is your Onn TV remote not working? Most remote issues can be fixed with these simple troubleshooting steps. First, check the batteries. Make sure they're correctly installed and try replacing them with fresh ones. Weak batteries are the most common culprit behind remote problems. Next, clean the remote's bottom edge and the TV sensor with a soft, dry cloth. Remove any dirt or residue that might be blocking the infrared signal. Onn TV remotes use infrared signals to communicate with your TV. This requires a clear, unobstructed path between the remote and the TV sensor. Remove any objects that might be blocking the signal. If the remote is still unresponsive, try power cycling. Unplug your TV and any connected devices for 60 seconds, then plug them back in. This can resolve temporary software glitches. If your remote is still not responding after these steps, you may need to reset and repair it with your TV. When basic troubleshooting doesn't work, resetting and repairing your Onn TV remote can solve most connectivity issues. There are two effective reset methods to try. Method 1 is the quickest reset option. Press and hold both the back and home buttons simultaneously for 20 seconds until the remote's LED light flashes. Method 2 involves a complete power reset. Remove the remote batteries, unplug your TV for 60 seconds, then plug it back in and reinsert the batteries. This clears any temporary connection issues. After resetting, you need to repair the remote with your Onn box. Locate the pairing button on your device. Its location varies by model. Press and hold this button until the indicator light flashes. Then press and hold the home and back buttons on your remote until its LED flashes. If pairing still fails, check for interference sources. Sunlight, fluorescent lights, and other remotes can disrupt the connection. Ensure a clear path between your remote and the TV sensor. If problems persist, you have two alternatives. Download the Roku mobile app to use your phone as a temporary remote, or perform a factory reset of your TV as a last resort. Remember that factory reset will erase all your data and settings.